Hello everyone, my name is Abib and this is my CS50 Wiki project, and this is my home page. So I can come to the URL box here to search for an entry. So once I type in and I click enter, it takes me to the HTML entry page, and I can also search for CSS and it takes me to the CSS entry page. So if I search for an entry that does not exist, so like Java, and I click enter, so I get this error message: the entry Java does not exist. And here we have some existing entries here. So once I click on any of these entry, it directs me to the entry. So CSS directs me to the CSS page, and I can also click on, let's say, Python, and it directs me to the Python page. I come to this search box here to search for an entry. So let's say I want to look for HTML. I click on enter, it takes me to the entry page of HTML, and I can also search for Django. So it takes me to the entry page of Django. So if I look for an entry that does not exist, I get this error message. Let's say I want to search for JavaScript. I get this error message: no entries found matching JavaScript. So, and I can also type in a substring like this, and the search results display matching result for me. So we have Python here. I can click on this and it takes me to the entry page of Python. I also have this create new page here. So once I click on this, I can create new page here. So I can enter the title. I want to create JavaScript. The title will be JavaScript. So I can enter the markdown content here. Once I click on save, it redirects me to the entry page. So the entry has been created. We can go back to the home page and we can see here that it has been included in the existing that we have here. It is also important for us to note that in the create new page, if a page already exists, so we message, error message. So let's say I want to, Python already exists and I want to create a page called Python, and I enter the content here. So once I click on save, I get this error message: an entry with this title already exists. This means that we can only create page for an entry that has not been created before. And if I'm not really okay with my entry content, I can come to let's say CSS. I can come to edit page in order to edit this content. Once I click on this, I can do some changes here. So let's say I added page to make it look beautiful and attractive. So I've added this here. So once I save changes, it redirects me to the entry. You can see the changes that I've made here. That's all about the edits link. I can come back to the page. So we have this random link here. So once I click on it, it takes me to random pages. So we have Django here. So I can click on it again. It takes me to another entry. So we have HTML here. I can click on it and we have HTML again. We have Django here. So that's it about my CS50 Wiki project. Thank you for watching.